Okay, so we'll start with Guru Darshan. In the second half of today's weekend session, Guru, Mitra, Hariharan, and Dhanvant played at Dumb Chariots. Myself and Mitra were in one team, and Guru, Dhanvant, and Hariharan were in another team. And we had about 4 or 5 rounds. So we'll start with Guru Darshan. Guru Darshan, what do you understand from this, and how far do you think, as a college student, this activity has helped you?
Yes, in this activity, I have understood that conveying your things to others is more important, sir. Because it conveys in different forms. They think of different things when I convey one thing, and this not only happens here, it happens also outside, sir. So this is called misunderstanding, sir. And by playing this game, I think we can rectify misunderstanding between ourselves. Our teammates and our understanding will be improved, sir. And basically, we didn't build a strategy at the starting of the game, so it was very tough for us to understand what the others are conveying. So this should be also implemented in our real life, I think so, sir.
I really admired the way Hariharan, Dhanvant, and Guru Darshan took it on a very sportive way. You know, people, Hariharan and Mitra know this. There were people in MS evening sessions who took it very seriously. Sometimes they became very dull by getting defeated in this game, and sometimes they became very aggressive and all that. So we had some students like that, but you had fun, and that's the maturity that you have shown. And your maturity transfers to Hariharan, and Hariharan's maturity transfers to Dhanvant also. Dhanvant, you are a fabulous leader.
Legendary player, sir.
Thank you for your picture.
Yeah, I really like the idea. Like at one point of time during the Dumb Chariots, you had a very good for the spotline thing. Your imagination was very bright. I appreciate that. Maybe you were not able to expose and deliver to Guru and Hari, but it was really good. So you tell me, like Guru said, what did you learn from this activity?
Sir, we have small brain, sir.
Uh-huh.
We need to
Squeeze it.
right, sir. Squeeze the brain to think. Sir.
Right. So did you do that today?
வெக்கப்படாம நோன்னு சொல்றாரு.
Sometimes. Maybe we will play this quite often so that we will squeeze the. As an 8th grader, I mentioned 2 words. One is decision making, another one is creative thinking. Where are these 2 traits hidden in this game? Where is decision making and where is creative thinking?
Sir, you give answer how to explain to our teammates. Decision making, sir, and how creative we explain.
Fantastic. Okay. Right.
I need to help in physics.
It will help in physics exam. Good. I'm really happy. Some way it is helpful to you. I'm really happy. Hariharan,
Sir, one more thing.
please.
Come on, sir. When you are playing a game in hostel, sir, I can.
You can invent a game and you can.
No,
tell
sir.
I
With
have
this
found-
experience, I
You-
can win there.
You can win there.
Yes, sir.
Right. And you'll also say that this is the game that I invented.
Yes, sir.
Dhanvant invented, eh?
No, sir. You. We play here.
Charades actually means non-verbal communication. So this is actually not a game, it is a strategy used by army soldiers in the battlefield. Have you heard about Morse code? Morse code, they use their eye movement in communicating.
And sounds.
Sounds also, அந்த மாதிரி sounds also to communicate. அந்த மாதிரி தான் அந்த charades அப்படிங்கிறது. This is not a very playful thing, this is a very serious thing. Okay, right? So strategizing is very important.
In sports field also they will be for communicating each other they will be using.
Correct. They do in ice hockey, and they do in hockey also. In hockey, one player just put both the hands behind it, and they will do a gesture like this. So they will have this left index finger, and they will hold it, and they will do this, which means go to the extreme goal post, and there I will pass. So இதெல்லாம் டம் ஷேரட்ஸ் கிடையாது, முக்கியமான அதை யோசிச்சு வை. நான் அதுக்குள்ள I'll finish with Hariharan and Mitra, and I'll come back again. Hariharan, what is your take? You have been part of this game quite a number of times.
Yes, sir.
I think once in the online too. So what is your understanding?
Sir, Arundhati mentioned this was purely in the non-verbal communication and whether the opponent should be clearly understanding that we were explaining this word.
Yes.
The word is misunderstanding means the whole words have collapsed and they will be thinking some other things. So that I have experience here also, sir.
Yes.
By communicating with not a particular word been spoken here. And in the company interviews, we must be, when we are expressing our answer, we should be in a clear-cut way, so that they can be understanding our feelings and experience in that field.
Fantastic. That's nice. Good job. Last but by no means the least, I deliberately put you in last
No
place. Tell me, I know you've been part of this game ever since this game has been played in 2019. What's your understanding today? I mean, those days you were a kid. Now, right now, you're a grown-up girl being in the 11th grade. What is your understanding?
Sir, one thing that like all this time when they were explaining about their learning, I got one idea, sir.
Yes.
That is, when you are tensed, sir, lot of thoughts come into your mind, but at sometimes when you are very much tensed or stressed about something, you don't get lot of ideas, sir. Because for especially during the last round, sir, like there was very less time, sir, 2 minutes, sir, but 3 words were easy, but to make those 3 words perfect, because the team has to be perfect, because they should not find any flaws, sir. Like for example, instead of industrialism, if you say industrialist, it would be a flaw, and if the time gets up, then that would reduce our marks, sir.
Accuracy is very important.
Yes, sir. So that was very tensing during the time, sir, and it was very worrying. So at that time you don't get lot of thoughts. But here I was okay, sir. But in extreme situations, when you are very tensed about something, sir, not lot of ideas get into your mind, especially in problems, sir. You don't get lot of solutions.
Madam, 2 నిమిషం madam. 2 నిమిషం.
During a problem, sir, when you are very tense or worried about that, you don't get any solutions, sir. Even after a lot of thinking time or lot of like breakthrough about that problem, sir, you won't get solutions if you are very worried. But once you get completely relaxed, you'll get a lot of solutions popping. So the same applies here, sir. If you're very tensed about the word, you don't get the relative alphabets.
Your mind
or the
goes out
hints,
of
sir.
composure.
Yes, sir.
That's a nice catch. Good job. So Dhanvant, you wanted to add something, and I told you I'll come back to you. What is it?
Sir, captain, sir.
Oh, captaincy.
Captain.
No, for common and sir, captain, sir. Captain, sir, want to.
Ada captain. Captain.
நீ தான்டா captain இதுல.
No, sir, for commerce, for
Okay,
example,
okay, common.
want to do his job perfect, like, sir.
Like you did in this exercise.
How,
Yeah,
sir?
Of course, Hariharan was having a lovable time by having you as a leader, and Guru was very, very happy with the contribution you have done.
Really?
I was happy with it.
Exactly.
Really.
Even I enjoyed.
Yeah,
you
we also
being a
enjoyed
leader.
your captains. Yeah, you're right. A leader has to be very responsible and he has to do his job well. And
Sir.
that's it. Yeah. Okay.
Sir, and I want to add up one point, sir. In this activity, I know that before I was giving more words, and now I can't giving the more words, and in presentation I am getting some lags. That
Why is it?
don't know, sir. That may be in the lacking of readings.
So you'll catch it. You'll catch it. You know, during the retreat presentation you mentioned, those days you will not even speak. Even if I give you the chance, you will not even speak. But right now you're making a presentation along with Dakshin Siddharth. You made a couple of 40-minute and 1-hour presentations. So you are in a form. After Dakshin went away, so that kind of friendship bonding got broken. Now it is getting developed with Guru. But Guru is not your friend. He's like your brother. So that is reforming. So it will also come back.
Okay.
Good job.
Sir,
All right.
one minute.
சொல்லிட்டு சொல்லிட்டு நீ கிளம்ப அம்மா வெயிட் பண்ண
Yes, sir, like, how can I explain? Sir, sorry, telling more, sir, what's going on, sir?
நீ தமிழே சொல்லு புரியும்.
இல்லை ட்ரைபல்
Come on, come on.
Sir, what's
ஓசிச்சுட்டு நீ எப்போ சொல்லுவ
that?
அடுத்த ஓகே ரைட் ஸோ தட்ஸ் தி அஃபிஷியல் end of today's MS evening sessions and as the boys and Mitra mentioned what they learned, and we will have another session Monday. We are resuming. Guru and Hariharan along with Harishankaran will be the attendees on Monday. So good job, well done everyone. Thank you. So Dhanvant, you can leave. Amma wait பண்றாங்க.